reach the mountain top, and on this rock I stand.